Welcome to Mr. Wonder How. Today, I'll show you how to add people, characters in Unreal Engine 5.5 using the latest tools. Let's get started. First, let's add a realistic MetaHuman. Go to Quixel Bridge, choose a character, and click Download and Add to your project. Character need animation. Let's add Unreal Engine third-person character to copy it animations. Now, from the content browser, locate the MetaHuman blueprint and open it. You can see an overview of the character in Viewport tab. To make animation for the character, we need to retarget animation from third-person character. Find animations inside mannequin folder. From here, select animations you want to replicate. Right-click and select Retarget Animation. Choose the body skeleton for target skeleton mesh. Select animation in the list, then export. Now drag character blueprint to the scene. Open the blueprint. Make sure to set animation mode like this for the root component. Use animation asset. Click on body component. Set use animation, and set idle retargeted animation. Cool, compile and save. Click to play, and now the character have idle animation. And that's how you add people to Unreal Engine. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, see you next time.